What is Videogen AI? Videogen AI, the future of automated video creation. Introduction. In the digital era, video content dominates online platforms, serving as a crucial medium for entertainment, marketing, education, and communication. However, traditional video production is often time-consuming, expensive, and requires technical expertise. This is where Videogen AI emerges as a revolutionary tool, transforming video creation through artificial intelligence. Designed for businesses, content creators, educators, and marketers, Videogen AI simplifies the entire video production process by leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms. This article provides a comprehensive analysis of Videogen AI, exploring its features, applications, benefits, and future potential. What is Videogen AI? Videogen AI is an artificial intelligence-powered platform that automates video creation by integrating text-to-video conversion, AI-driven editing, speech synthesis, and advanced media libraries. It enables users to generate high-quality videos effortlessly, whether for social media, marketing campaigns, online education, or corporate communication. Key features of Videogen AI. 1. Automated video generation. Videogen AI allows users to create videos simply by inputting text or a script. The AI interprets the text and automatically generates relevant visuals, animations, transitions, and voiceovers, producing a polished final product in minutes. 2. AI-powered script writing. For those who struggle with content creation, Videogen AI includes an intelligent script writing assistant. The AI generates engaging scripts based on minimal input, ensuring compelling narratives tailored to different audiences and platforms. 3. Text-to-speech, TTS. Conversion. A standout feature of Videogen AI is its advanced text-to-speech engine. With a vast selection of voices in multiple languages and accents, the AI produces natural-sounding narrations, eliminating the need for professional voice actors. 4. Extensive media library. Videogen AI provides access to millions of royalty-free stock images, video clips, sound effects, and background music, allowing users to enhance their videos without additional licensing costs. 5. AI-powered video editing. Unlike traditional video editors that require manual adjustments, Videogen AI automatically applies smooth transitions, effects, and enhancements, resulting in a professional look with minimal effort. 6. Customizable templates. Users can select from a wide range of customizable templates, tailored for different industries and content types. These templates help create videos quickly while maintaining a high production value. 7. Multilingual capabilities. With support for multiple languages, Videogen AI enables businesses and creators to produce content for global audiences, expanding their reach and accessibility. 8. Social media optimization. Videogen AI optimizes videos for various social media platforms, adjusting aspect ratios, resolutions, and durations to match platform-specific requirements, e.g. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. 9. AI voice cloning. For brands and content creators who want a consistent voice in their videos, Videogen AI offers AI voice cloning, allowing users to create personalized voiceovers. 10. Real-time collaboration. Teams can collaborate on projects seamlessly with cloud-based access, enabling multiple users to edit, review, and approve videos in real time. Applications of Videogen AI. 1. Marketing and advertising businesses can leverage Videogen AI to create compelling promotional videos, product demos, and brand advertisements with minimal effort and cost. AI-powered analytics also provide insights into audience engagement and content performance. 2. Social media content creation. With social media platforms prioritizing video content, influencers and brands can use Videogen AI to generate high-quality videos tailored for different platforms, increasing engagement and visibility. 3. E-learning and online education. Educators can use Videogen AI to transform traditional text-based lessons into engaging video content, making learning more interactive and effective for students worldwide. 4. Corporate training and communication. Companies can utilize Videogen AI to create training modules, onboarding videos, and internal communications, ensuring consistent and engaging content delivery. 5. News and journalism. AI-generated video summaries can help news agencies and journalists quickly transform written articles into engaging video reports, making information more accessible to audiences. 6. Real estate and virtual tours. Real estate agents can create AI-powered virtual property tours and promotional videos, enhancing their marketing strategies and attracting potential buyers. Benefits of using Videogen AI. 1. Time efficiency. Traditional video production can take days or weeks, whereas Videogen AI drastically reduces production time, allowing users to create videos in minutes. 2. Cost-effective hiring. Professional video editors, voice actors, and scriptwriters can be expensive. Videogen AI eliminates these costs by automating the entire process. 3. No technical skills required. With its user-friendly interface and AI-powered automation, anyone can create professional videos without prior editing experience. 4. Enhanced engagement. Videos created using Videogen AI are visually appealing, well-structured, and optimized for engagement, helping users captivate their audience more effectively. 5. Scalability. Businesses can rapidly scale their video production, enabling them to create multiple videos simultaneously for different campaigns and target audiences. 6. AI-powered creativity. The AI suggests creative ideas, scripts, and enhancements, making video creation more innovative and diverse. Future of Videogen AI. As AI technology continues to advance, Videogen AI is expected to evolve further, incorporating more advanced AI editing tools, enhanced capabilities such as AI-driven color grading, deepfake technology, and real-time motion tracking, integration with augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, creating immersive experiences for marketing, gaming, and education. Interactive AI videos, allowing users to create videos where viewers can interact and make choices, enhancing engagement. Blockchain integration for content security, protecting intellectual property and preventing unauthorized use of AI-generated content. More personalized AI voiceovers, offering hyper-realistic voice synthesis and emotional intonation. Conclusion. Videogen AI is transforming the landscape of video production by making it faster, more affordable, and accessible to a wide audience. Its innovative features empower users to create high-quality videos effortlessly, making it an invaluable tool for businesses, educators, content creators, and marketers. As AI technology progresses, Videogen AI will continue to push the boundaries of automated video generation, shaping the future of digital content creation. Whether you're a social media influencer looking to enhance engagement, a business seeking efficient marketing solutions, or an educator aiming to make learning more interactive, Videogen AI offers an all-in-one solution for creating professional-grade videos at scale. See detailed description below video to understand more about this AI tool.